Welcome to YouPlantTube Garden channel. If you are new to gardening or passionate about growing your own food, then you've come to the right place. Whether you are growing in spring, summer, autumn or winter, you will find all sorts of videos related to the vegetable you are growing, helping you have a successful harvest. This how-to channel will take you through step-by-step in successfully growing your favorite vegetables, while also giving you advice and tips for best practice and experimenting and discovering better solutions for healthier plants. Vegetable gardening tips. With the costs of living rising all the time, it may be possible to save money and increase your family's health at the same time by growing vegetables in your backyard. It's a good idea to choose your favorite vegetables to grow and plan beds for early, middle of the season and late varieties. Most vegetables require at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, some need 8. Some quick growers like lettuce and radish can be grown between the rows of plants that take longer to mature, like beet or corn, thus making full use of the area available. Throughout dry periods, vegetable gardens need extra watering. Most vegetables benefit from an inch or more of water each week, especially when they are fruiting. During the growing season, watch for insect pests. If you discover a bug problem early, it will be much easier, but be careful to not use pesticides once the vegetable is close to being picked unless it becomes an absolute necessity. Organic gardening is one healthy and environment-friendly option. Once you have reaped your crop, put the vegetable waste into your compost pile so that it can be recycled for next spring. It is important to protect your vegetable garden from wild animals looking for a tasty treat. Make sure your garden is surrounded by a fence that will keep out dogs, rabbits, and other animals. The harm done by wandering animals during one season can equal the cost of a fence. A fence also can serve as a frame for peas, beans, tomatoes, and other crops that need support. Protection is needed in order for your vegetable garden to yield a bountiful harvest. Hard work will pay dividends if necessary precautions have been made. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to receive future amazing informative videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.